Removing wallpaper, wallpaper steamer, stripper, and more. Learn about wallpaper remover chemicals and wallpaper steamers. Removing wallpaper can be a daunting task, especially if you are dealing with a large room that is papered from top to bottom. It can be made easier, however, by following a few of these removal tips and tricks. Here's how to remove wallpaper. Assess the situation. If the wallpaper has been on the walls for 30 years, it will indeed be more difficult to remove than if it is only a few years old. For ancient wallpaper, plan to spend some extra time and effort on getting it removed. Head to the nearest home improvement store. There are two basic ways to remove it efficiently: by using wallpaper remover chemicals or by using a wallpaper steamer. You can also use a combination of both. In either case, you will need to purchase the proper supplies. For either job, it is highly recommended that you also purchase a scoring tool, which is a tool that will score small holes, thereby allowing the chemicals or steam to penetrate under the wallpaper and loosen the glue. You will also want to purchase a scraping tool to help lift off the pieces as they become loose. A putty knife can also work. Once you have purchased your supplies, you can begin the process by scoring. Some wallpaper removal techniques are as follows. Use the scoring tool by rubbing it in a circular motion all over the wallpaper. You will see the tiny holes begin to appear. If you have opted to use chemicals such as a wallpaper stripper, then you can apply the stripper to the wall once you have thoroughly scored it. Allow the stripper to set for the recommended amount of time as per the bottle's directions. Keep in mind that stripping chemicals are very potent, so be sure to use them in a well-ventilated room with all of the windows open. If you have opted to use a wallpaper steamer, fill the steamer with water and allow it to heat up. You will see steam coming out of the top of it once it is hot enough. Press the steamer nozzle on the wall and let the steam moisten the wallpaper. The hot steam will loosen the glue and then it should begin to peel off quite easily. Steamers can make for easy wallpaper removal. With either of these methods, use your scraping tool to help peel it off. You will find that when removing old wallpaper, some sections will peel away quite nicely, while other sections will need to be scraped a little bit harder. Be careful when using the scraping tool, and if you find that you have nicked the drywall while scraping it, you should apply some spackle to the area after you are finished. Required tools: scoring tool, scraper, wallpaper stripper, and a wallpaper steamer. Quick tips: for one-time wallpaper removal, Don't spend a fortune. Check eBay for a used wallpaper steamer. Useful links: Home Depot, eBay.